What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So live photos and video of the iPhone 14 Pro Max appeared on the network. New details about the Apple smartphone. The new iPhone 14 Pro Max screen cutouts are huge. Live video. iPhone 14 Pro Max owners will immediately stand out in the company. As expected, Apple will abandon the mini version of the iPhone. Chinese insider Ice Universe, who leaked lot of reliable information about different smartphones, published a video showing a protective gloss for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. In this video, you can get an idea of the dimensions of the new cutouts at the top of the display that will replace the famous notch. It is worth recognizing that the cutouts turned out to be very large. There will be 4 devices in the lineup, including the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This year there will be new model called the iPhone 14 Max, which will receive the feeling of the regular iPhone 14 with a large screen. The two standard versions, iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max, will inherit the design of the previous generation, while the iPhone 14 Max will receive a larger screen. Smartphones will receive last year's single chip system, 6GB of RAM, 12MP cameras, and 60Hz screens. As for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, they will get a 120Hz LTPO displays, 6GB of RAM, a new single chip system, and a new 48MP with 8K video recording. Insider Sony Dixon shared high-quality photos of the entire iPhone 14 line. The photos clearly show that the lineup will lose the iPhone 14 mini. As previously suggested, Apple will launch the 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max, as well as a 6.1 inches iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. Rumors are more rounded edges in the Pros than their previous iPhones were also confirmed. The aspect ratio has been increased to match the new design. Presumably, Pro models will have a new eye notch. 2 windows will house the Face ID system, front camera, and speaker. Only in the photos of the insider, this is not visible due to the black color of the screen. Traditionally, the Pro versions will receive a glossy steel case, while the regular models will be made of brushed aluminium. On April 28, 3D printed mock-ups of the iPhone 14 series and photos of protective gloss appeared on the network. The images show that the new phones are equipped with a larger camera sensors. Also, the display of the 2022 line will receive thinner bezels than the iPhone 13 series. It is expected that all smartphones will receive satellite communications. It will allow you to send emergency messages when a network connection is not available. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max protective gloss. Have you embraced this new design now? Please let us know in the comment section. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.